My favourite, I think it's the same as everybody. I quite like boiling the potatoes, carefully wash them. You don't want to take off too much skin. Boil them up with a pinch of salt and some mint. We actually have our own honesty boxes, which is a unique thing over here. So we have bags of Jersey Royals for sale on the roadsides. So people actually come along and buy their bags of Royals, and we actually have mint growing alongside. So they pick their own mint with their bags of Royals as well. So that's how I would have them. Boil them like that with a knob of Jersey butter.